No improvement in the air quality in Delhi NCR is expected for another 3 days, authorities said on Monday, as the Supreme Court directed the center to call an emergency meeting to decide on measures like stopping non essential constructions, transport, and power plants by Tuesday evening. The apex court also took note of the center's submission that stubble burning is not a major contributor to Delhi's air pollution and suggested that the city focus on dust, industry, and vehicular emissions. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the Supreme Court that stubble burning now is not a major contributor to the pollution. As of now, it is 10%. The Samyukta Kisan Morcha Forum of Farmer Union protesting the farm laws also hit out at the Delhi government, saying they have always pointed out that criminalization and penalization of farmers is not a solution to the problem. Environment Minister Gopal Rai later in the day sought to know the source of the center's data and said its share rose to a high of 48% in the last 10 days. According to Safar, the share of stubble burning in Delhi's fine particulate matter 2.5 pollution rose to a high of 48% in the last 10 days. This is central government data which is available in the public domain. Only the center will be able to specify the source of the data that stubble burning accounts for only 10% of Delhi's pollution. It does not make sense, he said. It should be noted that SAFAR is a system of air quality and weather forecasting and research, a research based initiative of integrating air quality with health advisories and food security. A dedicated air quality information services for Indian metropolitan cities to make India self-sufficient in providing frontier research-based scientific aggregated robust air quality forecasting system. Rai also said a joint action plan is the solution to the problem of air pollution and that the city government will emphasize this point in the meeting of Centre and NCR states on Tuesday. Also held a meeting with officials of the Delhi Metro and Delhi Transport Corporation to discuss ways to increase the carrying capacity of capital's public transport system. DMRC and DTC have been asked to prepare a plan in this regard within 10 days. The minister said the Delhi government is willing to make more steps to resolve the issue. We have been making efforts on our end to reduce our share of pollution. We are ready to do more and take more new steps. We are ready to implement the suggestion of the Supreme Court and experts, if any, he said.